Okay guys, this is the bottom section of the Scion 2.4 liter 4-cylinder motor. This is the bottom part of the block. You can see here where the oil filter screws on. Here's where the oil pump goes. This is called a counterbalance carriage, and if you have metal in the motor, you need to be sure and take this apart, because on the inside you have bearings. These are inserts. You have one at each end, a front and a rear, and these have had metal run through them. You can see the galding on the bearings, and if they get too hot from lack of oil and metal, they'll spin. These counterbalance shafts are steel, so I've already looked at those, and there's no scarring on the journals of these shafts. But we are putting new bearings in it. The bearings, they push out. I'll push one of them out so you can see. Take you a screwdriver and just apply a little bit of pressure. It's hard to hold this phone and do this, but that bearing will pop right out just like that. And it's just a little small bearing with an oil hole. Of course, you want to clean all that metal out. Now, this bearing's scarred pretty bad, but change those bearings out and wash this unit out really thoroughly and blow through all the oil passages, because the oil pump does lubricate and pressurize this. So if you build the motor, you need to check this part of the engine to make sure the bearings and stuff are fine. And we'll come back when we complete this on another video.